How's it, guys? This is Suhail. I sell firewood, and a lot of us customers are asking me how do you actually set up a fireplace. A lot of them have bought these closed combustion fireplaces, meaning it can close, and then the other one is the open fireplace. So anyway, this is how I set it up, and use regular fire lighters, right? Some do work better than others, so just watch the brand. I don't want to take names here, but just watch the brand. Some of them cost a little bit, 7-8 rand more, but it lasts much longer. So just kind of like 1 second, show you what's happening here. So it's just, I won't even say couple, like 2 twigs and some fire lighters here, there, and there. Small whatever I had left over here and there, and then dry twig here, and this is your actual firewood here. This is not cleaned out properly because in the morning it was still burning, so I couldn't clean it out anyway. So you build it where you have it's like a cabin shape structure here, and then you cross line it 1, 2, and 3. This one, when you see something like this, you kind of like put it in the fire, like here. Okay, and then a big chunky one on top of all. Oopsie, 1 second. Okay, you can do that, or you can like take that out and then you can put, not mistaken, this is the red gum or blue gum. You put this on top like this here even. This one takes longer to burn, but as you're burning that, it's drying it out, and then it will catch later on, and then that will burn quite good. So take my hand back. So anyway, just make sure there's not so close to each other and there is ventilation. Okay, then take a small stick. Take a small stick with a fire lighter on. That's what I do. Something like this, something small. I'm gonna light it up. Okay, let's bring it there inside, getting it, kind of lighting it there. And I try to make the fire lighters catch onto something, like so. I put a twig on the actual lighter, like that. Not overdoing it, but just pushing it on it. You have to set up your fire. You can't just go there and shove everything. And yeah, okay, still got another piece here. I'll keep it for later or tomorrow. Just wait. So I'm going to end the video now, and then I'm going to take it. I'll take a photo after, say, 10 minutes and show you guys what's happening. But you already can see tent is open, no smoke, right? No hectic smoke. And guys, that can't be the fire lighters only. Something is catching there. I can already feel the heat on it. Make sure I don't burn my phone. There is a slight. Can you hear that? Yeah, it's catching. This is catching. continue a bit. Can you hear? Yep, it's cutting in. It's burning in. Sufficient air, oxygen, basically fuel and heat equals a good fire. Okay guys, so it's firewood, and that's it, how you make fire. I hope this helps. Thank you. Yeah, it's growing. It is growing.